Private Limited company is introducing an user-friendly, simple and easy-to-use accounting solutions for travel agency. We will look into login. There is two type of logins available for this accounting software. One for admin and another one for staff. So we'll go to login page. Okay. Password. Sorry. Here you can see the dynamic and user-friendly dashboard, which is the highlight of this travel agency accounting software. Okay. Here you can see the cash in hand and cash in bank here. So list of banks are here. Then receivable amounts, payable amounts. See from where you need to get some money, that you will be showing here. The same way payables, to whom you wanted to pay. Here it is showing. Downside, check due alert. You may provide some checks for payment or something like that. Okay, you may not be aware about, or sometimes you may forget those things. So before 7 days of that check date, you will be getting notified that the check due on this particular date, and this is the amount, like that. Same way, here you can see passport expiry alert. Before 6 months of expiry, you will be notified here. So you can call your customer and inform them that this is the your passport is going to expire soon, so kindly do the reissuance, something like that. Here you can see nearest travel date alert. To show you the date of travel and sector, the passenger name and mobile number. It will help you to find out whoever is traveling nearby date. Same way, sometimes you may not receive a complete amount of the ticket or any services. You can call them and get the information, get the payment done. Same way, someone is looking for some traveling, someone is traveling alone, they wanted to look for a companion, so you can easily find out who is traveling nearby date. So we are going to the invoice section. Here you can see new ticket invoice. Just click it. See, normally in an accounting software, you have to insert, you have to post purchase first, then sales. After that, you need to raise receipt. Here you can do all the 3 works in a single window. So I'm showing you how it is working. So you just click the bill to whom you wanted to bill it, then sector, then date of travel. So I'm going to put it 1st of May, then the airline code, of course Air India, our national carrier, then passenger name, sometimes for these domestic budget carriers like XCC carriers like Indigo, Air India, there you will be getting in a single PNR there might be a lot of passengers traveling together, so you can add the passenger name here. Then what about the supplier? Sometimes GMT, sometimes Yatra, sometimes Akbar, whatever. If you have any notification, you can put it here. And if you want to put any SMS alert, that you can put the mobile number of that particular passenger here. Then buying price, so which is the amount, which amount you bought it. So I'm going to put it 4,500, and the profit amount is 500, so total 5,000. So the margin amount is showing here. So if you want to make a payment, or if you receive the amount, so you can put it 5,000 mode of payment cash. If you have any notifications or any remark, you can put it here, then submit. So all the works done here. Okay, so then I'll show you miscellaneous invoice. Other than ticket, the rest you can invoice here the same way, procedure all same. Then receipt, it's very easy to do the receipt here. So you can search receipt by invoice or ticket number. So I'm going to put it invoice